Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Rapides Parish in central Louisiana, northwestern of Oyos Parish in central Louisiana, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Neston, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alexandria, Pineville, Marksville, Kineston, Effie, Lecomte, DeVille, Echo, Elmer, Poland, Colon, Centerpoint, Ruby, Calcasieu, Woodworth, and Forest Hill. This includes Interstate 49 between mile marker 67 and 84. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central and west central Louisiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.